HSBC account online. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I will demonstrate how you will be able to open HSBC bank account online. So first of all, just simply open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just simply search for hsbc.co.uk and you will be landed to the official website of HSBC. And after that, over here just simply click on the banking section from the top menu, and under the current account section you will be able to see all the bunch of different bank accounts that the HSBC has to offer. Just simply click on the current account from the top. You can go ahead and do some of your own research and find out which bank account suits your needs better, and you can select accordingly. So just simply click on bank accounts from there, and after that just simply scroll down and click on apply for a solo account, or you can also go for the joint account as per your liking. And now you can see the eligibility criteria that you need to fulfill in order to be able to open the bank account with HSBC. So you should not be an existing HSBC customer, and you should be 18 years and above the age, and you should also be currently living in UK or one of the following countries in UK. So that is the minimum criteria that you need to fulfill before you think about opening a bank account with HSBC. So when you fulfill the eligibility criteria for opening the bank account, just simply scroll down and click on confirm and start. And now the application will start with your personal details. So you have to tell a bit about yourself before filling the actual form, and then just simply fill up this personal detail form. Like, first of all, you have to mention your email address, enter your title, then your first name, your surname, and then you have to enter your gender, your date of birth, place of birth, and other details, and click on continue. And on the next page you have to enter your address details. Just simply enter your current address along with your zip code, and on the next page just simply submit your documents, the documents that the HSBC requires for the verification in order to open your account successfully. And after that just simply submit your application while filling up all these informations. And once you have done submitted the application, and after that all you have to do is just simply wait until your account get verified by HSBC team. And once your account get approved, you will be able to receive your debit card and your account details number in your email address, and then from there you are good to go. So this is basically how you will be able to open your bank account with HSBC, quite simply. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.